Introduction to SIEM. Introduction to SIEM. Now let's get started from task 1, introduction. What is SIEM? SIEM stands for Security Information and Event Management System. It collects data from the various endpoints, network devices across the networks, store them at a centralized place, and performs correlation on them. The objective covers what is SIEM, how does it work, why is SIEM needed, what is network visibility, what are log sources, and how is log ingestion done, and the capabilities of SIEM provides. Okay, task 1 is already finished. Now network visibility through SIEM. Okay, anything is remain? Okay, 1 is totally done. Network visibility through SIEM. Before explaining importance of SIEM, let's first introduce the understanding between these networks. Why it is critical to have better visibility of all the activities within the network. The image below shown the simple network that compromises multiple Linux Windows based endpoint on data server. What is data server? This is data server. Each component communicates with other or access the internet through router. Okay. Internet, this is router, data server, Linux workstation, Windows workstation. This is data server, this is web server, this is router and internet. Okay, this workstation, people access web server or data server through router, and router is connected to internet. Okay, good. As we know, each network component can have one or more log resources generating different log. That's correct. One example could be setting up Sysmon along with Windows event log to have better visibility of Windows endpoint. We can divide our network log resources into two logical part: host centered and network centered. Okay, let's study host centered and network centered. These host centered log sources are log source. These are the log source that capture events that occur within or related to the host. Some logs that generates host-centric logs are Windows event log, Sysmon, Osquery, etc. Some example of host-centric logs are a user access file. Okay, user attempt to authenticate, process executed activities, process adding, editing, deleting registry key or value, PowerShell execution. Okay, network center these are the log generated when the host communicate with each other or access the internet through the website. Some network based protocol are SSH, VPN, HTTPS, FTP, etc. Example of such events are secure shell connection, a file being accessed through file transfer protocol, web traffic, a user accessing company's resources through virtual private network, and network file sharing activities. Okay, host centric and network centric. Okay, let's copy these two, host centric and network centric. Okay, now importance of SIEM. Now we have covered various type of logs. It's time to understand the SIEM. All these devices generate hundreds of events per second. Okay, I know. Examining the IMG logs on each devices one by one in case of any incident can be a tedious task. This is one of the advantages of having SIEM solution in place. It is not only takes log from the various resources in real time, but also provide the correlation between events. Search through logs, investigate incident, respond promptly. Some key features are SIEM, first collect data from source, aggregate data, discover and detect threat, identify breaches, and investigate alert. Okay. Real-time log ingestion, alert against abnormal activities, alerting against abnormal activities, 24/7 monitoring, protect against latest threat through early detection, data insights and visualization, ability to investigate past incident. Okay, this is the importance of SIEM. Importance of SIEM is this. Okay, now answer the following questions. Is registry related activities host centered or network centric? Host centric or network centric? Is registry related activities a host centric? I know. A registry the host centric log resources. Okay, which is this? So I submit this. Okay, now another is VPN related to activity host centric or network. VPN is network centric. Okay, done. Now the task 2 is complete. Now log sources and log ingestion. Every device in the network generates some kind of log whenever an activity is performed on it, like users visiting website, connecting SSL, or any activities in the computer. Some common devices that are found in the network environment are discussed below. Windows machine, Linux workstation, web server, log ingestion. Okay. What is the question? In which location Linux environment are HTTP log stored? Okay. Let's study from here. Every device in the network generates some kind of log whenever the activity is performed, like visiting website or any activities which are done in Windows. So in Windows machine, Windows record every event that can be viewed through event viewer utility. It assigns a unique ID to each type of log activities, making it easy for analysts to examine and keep track of. To view event in the Windows environment, type event viewer in the search bar. Event viewer, okay, is used to see all the events through event viewer in the Windows when you search from search bar. To the tools where different logs are stored and can be viewed as shown below. Okay, let's event viewer. Let's see. This is the event viewer. When you go to custom view or Windows log application, security setup, don't open saved log right now. I will close this. Where different logs are stored and can be viewed as shown below. These logs are from all Windows endpoint. Are forwarded to SIEM solution for monitoring and better visibility. Okay, event viewer, what is, oh, these are the events, these are the logs. Application, okay, Let's see. Windows log application audit success, special logon setup. Okay, let's leave it. Linux workstation, Linux OS stored all the related logs such as event, error warning, errors warning, etc., which are then ingested into SIEM to continue monitoring. Some of the common locations are these are the location where log httpd contain http request error. cron related to cron jobs are stored in location. auth.log or secure stored authentication related log, and kernel it is stored kernel related. So httpd, this is the log which is our answer, I think. Here is a sample of cron log. Okay, this is this web server. It is important to keep an eye on all the request response coming in and out of the web server from potential web attack. In a common location to write all the Apache related log is Apache or HTTP. Okay, here is the example of Apache log. This is IP address, this is local IP address. No timestamp found, sent mail. Okay, this is no problem. Log ingestion. All these logs provide a wealth of information and can help in identifying security issue. Each SIEM solution has its own way of ingestion. Some common methods used by SIEM solution are explained below. SIEM, Linux server, this is Windows server, web server. Okay. Agent or forward. This SIEM solution provide a lightweight tool called agent forward that is installed in the endpoint. It is configured to capture all the important log and send them to SIEM server. This is SIEM server. Okay, everyone is sending logs to SIEM server for analysis. Okay, system log is a widely used protocol to collect data from various systems like web server, database, sent to centralized destination, manual update, port forwarding. Okay, or get data in with the following method: upload, monitor, forward. Okay, in which location Linux environment HTTP log are stored? So HTTP log are stored in here. Okay, now 3 is also done. Let's move to 4. SIEM is used to provide correlation on the collected data. SIEM is used to provide correlation on the collected data to detect threat. Once threat is detected, sent or a certain threshold is crossed, an alert is raised. This alert enable the analyst to take suitable action for based on the investigation. Okay, this is important. So suitable action based on the investigation. Simply input a role in cybersecurity domain helps detect and protect against the latest threat in the timely manner. Okay, it provides good visibility of what is happening within the network infrastructure. SIEM capability is one of the major components of SOC's ecosystem. Is start by collecting log and examine if any event flow has matched the condition set in the rule or crossed a certain threshold. Some of the common capabilities are correlation between the events from different log sources, provide visibility on both host and network centric activities. Okay, I have this study. Allow analysts to investigate latest threat, hunt for. Okay, SOC. This is SIEM, Security Information Event Management, reporting, ticketing, log collecting, knowledge base, research and development, aggregation and correlation, threat intelligence. Everything. Yeah, I have done everything. Okay. Now SOC analyst responsibility. This is my responsibility is, let's put it, utilize SIEM solution in order to have better visibility of what is happening in the network. That is monitoring, identifying false positive, turning rules which cause noise or false positive, tuning rules which are causing the noise or false positive, reporting and compliance, identifying blind spots in the network visibility and covering them. Okay. Read the tasks above and no need to answer. So this is done. Analyzing log and alert. Okay. SIEM tool gets all the security related log ingested through agent, port forwarding, etc. Once the log are ingested, SIEM looks for unwanted behavior or suspicious pattern within the log that helps to analyze the pattern. If the condition is met, a rule gets triggered and the incident is investigated. Okay, dashboard are the most important component of any SIEM. But then dashboard analysis normalize. The summary of this analysis presents the insight with the help of multiple dashboards. Each solution comes with some default dashboard provided for the custom. Okay, alert highlight, system notification, health alert, list of failed login attempts, event ingested count, rules triggered, top domains visited. Okay, example of default SIEM. This is dashboard, offense log, admin system time. Okay, new dashboard, rename dashboard, delete dashboard, add item, mount traffic, top application. This is okay. This is the SIEM. Which SIEM? QRadar SIEM. Nice. Correlation rule. Correlation rules play an important role in timingly detected of threats, allowing analysts to take action on time. Correlation rules are pretty much logical expressions said to be triggered. Few examples are: users get 5 failed login attempts in 10 seconds, raise an alert. Multiple failed login alert. If user is successful after multiple failed login, raise an alert for successful login after multiple log attempt. Okay. A rule is set to alert every time users plugged USB useful if USB is restricted as per company policy. Okay. If outbound traffic is greater than 25 MB, raise an alert. Usually depend on company policy. Yes. I think we have to 200 MB. No. We have only 2 MB for each malware. How a correlation rule is created. To explain how this works, consider the case. Okay, you use case 1, use case 2. Adversary tends to remove the log during the post-exploitation phase to remove their track. A unique event ID is logged every time a user tries to remove or clear event log. To create a rule based on these activities, we can set the condition. If the log source is win event log and event ID is 104, trigger an alert. Event count clear. Second case is uses commands like who I am after exploitation, privilege, exclamation phrase. The following fields will help to include the rule. Log source. Identify the log source capturing the log event. Event ID is associated with PEA. Process execution activity. In this case, event ID is this will be helpful. New process name. Which process name will be helpful to include in the rule? If log source is this and event ID is this, new process contain who I am triggered. Then trigger alert who am I command execution detected. In the previous task, the importance of field value pair was discussed. Correlation rules keep an eye on the value of certain field fails to get triggered. That is the reason why it is important to have normalized log ingestion. Alert investigation. When monitoring, analysts spend most of their time on the dashboard. Of course, it is common It displays various key details of the network. Once alert is triggered and the rule is checked to see the condition is met based on the investigation, and let's determine if it's true or false positive. We found always false positive, sometimes true positive. Some of the actions that are performed is alert is false alarm. It may require tuning the rule to avoid similar false from occurring again. Alert is true positive. Perform further investigation. Contact the assets owner to inquire about the activities. Okay, suspicious activities confirm, isolate the infected host. Every time I do, block the suspicious IP. Let's move on the next. Let's explore how it works, how SIEM works. Which event ID is generated when the event log is removed? Which event ID is generated? When ID is generated when event log is removed. When event log is removed, this is Windows event log and event ID is 104 is triggered. This is event code, event ID. Which event ID is generated? 104 is generated. Okay. What type of alert may require tuning? What type of alert require tuning? What type of alert require tuning? Okay, let's oh, okay, where is it? What type of alert may require tuning? Okay, where is it? Tuning. Okay. Correlation rule. Activities is created. What type of alert? Like trigger alert? What type of alert? If rule, this is not. Correlation, that's why. What alert? Okay. Tuning. What type of alert require tuning? Okay, let's look from here. If user failed, type of alert, here is tuning. Every time a user tries to remove a killer event, alert is false alarm. It may require tuning the rule to avoid false positive. Okay, alert is false alarm. What type of alert may require tuning? Alert is false alarm or false positive. false alarm or false positive. Okay, false positive. False positives. False alarm. False positive. What type of alert may require tuning? Alert is false alarm. It may require tuning the rule to avoid similar false positive from occurring. Okay. True positive. What type of alert may require tuning? True positive is a alert is true positive. Perform further investigation. Oh no, this is also not working. What type of alert may require tuning? Alert is false alarm. It may require tuning the rule. It may require tuning the rule to avoid similar false positive from occurring again. What type of alert may require tuning? Okay. False positive alerts require tuning. Okay. False alarm. False alarm requires tuning, or this false positive, but oops, your answer is correct. False alarm or false positive. Okay, great. Now next is lab work. Click the view sites, which will display the lab on the right side of the screen, and in the lab attach a sample dashboard and the event are displayed. When suspicious activity happen, alert is triggered, which means some events match the condition of some rules already configured. Complete the lab answer. Okay, fine. How many questions are there? Okay, no problem. Let's view the lab. Okay, instruction. Here we see SIEM dashboard. Click on each visualization to receive a more detailed explanation of what visualization is displaying. Okay, this visualization shows top 10 event ID. This visualization shows top 5 RDP connection. This shows number of events in a month: April, May, June. Mitre attack. This visualization shows Mitre attack TTP mapping. Okay. Start suspicious activities. Just wait. Click on the suspicious activity. Which process caused the alert? First, which process caused the alert? Start suspicious activities. Okay. Find event. Potential crypto mining activity observed. Find event. Okay. Looks through the event log to find the event that triggered the alert. Find the event. Okay. Scroll right for more information. Okay, nice. There is no any error introduction. Sorry, that was wrong process. Sorry, that was wrong events. Good work. Now click the button. Windows event log. Good work. Now click the button to proceed. So the triggered result. Alert potential mining. If event equals to 80 and log equals to this, go to analysis. Okay, this rule. Let's copy the rule. Okay, go to analysis and take action. Windows event log and process name. Okay, how would you like to action this rule? false positive and tune the rule. Okay, let's see what alert potential code mining. If event ID is eth and log sources equal to Windows event log and process name equals to this, go to S. This must be if event ID is 4618. Okay, event ID is 4618. No, 4688. This is a false positive. Save the action. That's wrong. For action rule proceed. Okay, so this is true positive because it's related to crypto. Okay, and this is the save actions. Now click on start action. Which process caused this alert? Which process? Okay, save the action. Which process caused the answer format? This is the answer. No. Okay, what is happening? THM00 SIEM intro. Click on start suspicious. Click on start suspect. Which process caused this alert? How would you like to action this button, this rule? True positive and isolate the host. And next, okay, where is next? The next one, and this is the wrong action for the rule. I know. Isolate गर्ने त्यसपछि के? The lab sample dashboard displayed when a suspicious activity happened. This is just click on start suspicious activity. Which process caused this alert? Why it is not working? Find the event cause alert. Which user is responsible for the process execution? Which user? What is the host name of the suspect user? Examine the rule of the suspect. Which term match the rule? Okay, what is the best option represent the event? This is the true positive. Okay, I have to paste this answer format and let's submit this first. Oops. And okay, let's refresh it once. I think let's start lab work again. We have to answer all this. Click on start suspicious activity. Which process caused the alert? Event code, event count, this or metric attack. Process name room. Okay, start suspicious activities. Okay. 4 6. What is the event code or number of count? Start suspicious activities. Miner.exe. Okay, but say crypto miner activities are fine and click the trigger event, show the detail, find the event. Click on which process caused this alert. Which process? Click on start suspicious activity. Which process caused this alert? Kun process name. Oh ho ho ho. Let's sudo miner.exe. Okay. Find the event that caused alert. Which user was responsible for the process? Okay. Okay, find the event. Look through the log and find the triggered event. Username. Restart Fort. Restart Fort. Good work. Now click. Examine the rules and suspicious process which term match the rule that caused the alert. Click on the bottom should show the rule that triggered the alert. Alert trigger alert. Which term match the rule? Okay, alert color create this. Alert format. I have username, host name. Find the event. I think this is the event. Click on start suspicious. Okay, click on start suspicious activity. Which process caused the alert? Event ID, maybe, or this. Maybe. Okay, I have this. Go to analysis. This is a true positive, and okay, this is done. Oof, this is not correct. What? Your answer is, how can this be? Restart Fort, and this is also not working, and this is also not working. Lord, let's find out this answer. Okay, lab work is this. Introduction to SIEM. Instruction, click on the suspicious activities. I have checked the event, RDP events, number of events, and military attack. Okay. Now find the event that caused alert. Which event causes start suspicious activities? Okay, start. So which process caused alert? This exe caused alert. Potential remind observe. Find and click triggered event. Triggered event. Find the event that caused alert. Which users was responsible for the process? Okay, find the events. Which users? I think user is this user is responsible. And what is the host name? Host name is HR_02. HR_02 is a HR02 is a host name. Okay, this was correct. Now examine the rule and suspicious process. Which term matches matched the rule that caused the alert. Okay, this is hard. Examine the rule and suspicious process. Which term matched the rule that caused alert? Channel is THM SIEM. Index is Windows log. Cyber T is .local. Subject domain name. Windows event source module is this. Information. Process name. Examine the rule and suspicious process. Suspicious process. Which term matches the rule that caused the alert? Okay. Event type is audit success event log Windows event log. Okay. Windows event log. Do I have Windows event log? Yes. Let's try this. Windows event log. Oof, oh no, this is not answer. Examine the rule and suspicious process. Examine the rule and suspicious process. Process ID is 1845. Event ID this 4688. Okay. Examine the rule and suspicious process. Which term? Examine the rule and suspicious process. Which term matched the rule that caused the alert? Which term matched? Okay, channel. I think channel, maybe. CHANNEL. Which channel? Oof, no. Channel. THM underscore SIEM. Oh, this is not. Examine the rule and suspicious process. Okay, let's click. Good work. Now click on the button to show the rule. Now click OK. The rule that triggered the alert. Okay, this is the answer. Answer format is okay, this. Examine the rule that triggered the alert. Which process? Alert is this potential cryptominer activity is the process. No. What event ID is this? And log sources of Windows and process name. Okay. Alert this if okay. Examine the rule and suspicious process. So examine rule is this process name, miner or crypto. I think this is the answer. Maybe. No. If examine the rule and suspicious process, which term matched the rule that caused the alert? Okay. Crypto and miner both matched that caused alert. Okay, now my answer, everything is correct. Nice. Lab work is finished. Now the conclusion. In this room we have covered the SIEM is what SIEM is, capability, and what visibility it provides. To learn in depth about the incident or investigated, explore this. Answer, complete this room. No answer needed. Congratulations on completing the introduction of SIEM. Okay.